Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, to Meshi TV. Thank you so much for joining me for another Plan With Me video. So today we are once again extremely late in setting up our planners for the week of April the 13th to April the 19th. And I also thought that I would just briefly kind of show you at least a couple of the things that I recently picked up from the warehouse sale that Erin Condren was running. So why not just, have some fun. Have some planner fun. Okay, so I wanted to just kind of show you guys, I picked up a little wellness log. I actually picked this up, I already have a wellness petite planner. I picked this up for my husband. This is very masculine, it looks exactly the same as the other one with the floral cover, but I just wanted to pick up something a little bit more neutral colored. So I got this one for him. I also got him the goal setting journal. I actually picked up two of these, one for myself and one for him, and there's some goal check-ins, and there is a spot where you can kind of write down your values. If you haven't seen these are excellent for both short-term goals and long-term goals. So I'm quite excited for that for him. And then I also got some markers. These are the dual tip colorful markers. I got the basic colors because honestly that's what I wanted. I'm really holding out on the new releases for 2021 for planners, so I didn't end up going completely crazy with just purchasing a bunch of things. I wanted to get like really functional things. I also bought these wet erase markers, and I'll show you why, which I'm quite excited about. Okay, I picked up a dashboard, which I'm super stoked about. Can you tell I haven't touched this week yet? It's quite fun. Okay, let's get this off. So I bought this teacher's dashboard, which I thought was really nice, and I also picked up the other dashboard, the thin little one that's about a quarter page, but I'm actually using this for kids. So I started writing down like what I wanted each of my children to kind of work on, and then I started making a list of what we wanted to work on before school. I haven't obviously written anything in there for that, but then after school as well, and I'm so happy I did this because it's fun. It's fun. Anyway, okay, and let's do something here. Why not? Why don't we just kind of decorate something and do something? I also picked up this floral washi, which I thought was really nice. I don't know, I really like it, so why not just use it. How many of you are actually looking forward to, I know that today as I'm filming this, they are releasing the new teacher's planners. I personally don't feel like I need the teacher's planner, and if you haven't seen my previous video about what I'm actually using for homeschooling, then I can just leave it in the cards so you can take a look. But because we're not really, I can always show you guys a sample, and if you wanted to see like a plan with me on how I set up my my happy planner that I bought like a while ago, just let me know in the comment section, and then I can film like an actual plan with me around that for you guys. But that's the whole reason why I'm not really jumping on the teacher planner bandwagon, because I just don't see the point. So if I don't have to spend money on it, I want to get really wise with where we spend our money and where we really don't. So stuff that's really unnecessary is just, we kind of want to make sure that we buy the things and the tools that we're actually going to be using, not just the ones that are getting released right now just because it's being released. You know what I mean? So it's just using a little bit of self-control, which should be really nice. I want to make this spread kind of sassy. Is that wrong? Probably not. Whatever. I never use this and I really want to. And I also have this kit from Happy Planner. It's called Sassy Plans, and honestly it's hilarious. So I punched today in the face. Yeah, please. We have a strategic plan. It's called doing things. Oh my God. I kind of want to just add that and it works color-wise. By the way, I have to say, after watching a couple of Plan With Me videos, like, I have so much compassion for you guys that are like really struggling with your planner right now, especially if you're in the overthinking phase. Oh my gosh, you guys, just plan in your planner and have fun. You know what I mean? Like, there isn't, as far as I'm concerned, there isn't a planner police that will come and say that your spread isn't up to scuff, you know, sort of say. So, you know, just have fun with your stuff. That's why you have it. I always said this, but sometimes you need a reminder, if you know what I mean. By the way, zero plans of where this is going to go. I have no idea. So don't even ask me. If you're wondering in the comments, just keep wondering, because I'm wondering the exact same thing. Is that wrong? I want to use this too. Does this clash? Yeah, kind of. What are the colors in here? Maybe something green or maybe something dark blue. Can we use this? I don't even feel like we need to. I always want to use this, but then I never do. It's kind of funny. Why don't I put some music on, you guys? Why don't we just speed through this part, and then I will explain to you sort of how we set everything up. So I will meet you right back here in a moment. So let's go.
this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I...
Okay guys, we are back. I think that what I will do is I will leave it at this point, and I'm sure that as the week progresses some more, then we will fill it out some more. But for now, I think that this has come like a really long way, and I think that I can't speak. I think that this looks great for what I was kind of going for. I'm sure we can find some more wontons to sort of decorate it, but I actually got really wrapped up with this encouragement kit. I'm really digging this right now, so I think we're going to leave it the way that it is. I wanted to add here that we're going to be releasing a video here, and I wanted to release a video for Thursday. So we'll do one on Thursday, one for Saturday, which means that we are going to film on Friday. We'll figure it out. But for now, I really like the daily gratitude in the bottom, which actually forces me to open up my planner once again. Let's get you guys zoomed in a little bit more so you can actually see it. Here we go. So here I'm focusing on keeping our vibes high. Maybe I'll find like some of those little clear stickers. Remember the ones that I was using here for the November setup? I'll just show you. Like these little icons, I'll just find them, whatever. But I really like how like it's very bright and yellow, like lots of hints of yellow and pastels, which is always sort of my jam. I'm trying this new thing where I'm trying to use the mild liners. So we'll see how that one goes. It looks okay. Word of the week. Let's figure out a word of the week before I let you guys go. I think that the word of the week this week should be joy. Hopefully you guys agree. Maybe you don't, whatever works. But I like the word joy, and I think that this spread kind of sums it up perfectly for how I wanted to cultivate more joy in our lives on a day-to-day basis, because we all need a lot more joy than what we have. You know what I mean? So I really like this kit actually, because it actually feels like it's a kit that sort of fulfills like what I'm looking for. For personal development, we have some podcasts going on. What I actually wanted to focus on for today, which is basically film and edit and upload, amongst other things, but I'm sure that we can add yoga here. We can add maybe running here or here. A lot of it kind of depends on the weather too, because it's supposed to be for like 4 days straight. It's supposed to be like +4 Celsius, so that's quite cold for an outdoor run, especially as I'm looking outside. Like it's windy, it's sunny, but it's like super windy and cold out, so I don't think that this is going to be the perfect time for us to go out running, but whatever. But nevertheless, daily movement has to be important. We're going to prioritize it. And then I like these boxes where I can just kind of dump down whatever I wanted to kind of focus on. So in that regard, once again, here's your confirmation that I think that the other layout that Erin Condren has will actually work a little bit better for me, because I was able to get this done a lot easier and a lot more. It was a lot more effortless to set this up this week than any other week. So hooray for that. Okay, this is all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know what to do. You can give me a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We usually chat a few times a week here as we're trying to find our new groove with the new schedule. And we chat about a few things about planning, about spiritual practices, and how we can live with more intention and positivity in our lives. So if that sounds good, obviously consider subscribing. Cool. Well, this is all I got for you guys today. Hope you have enjoyed it, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye!